Hello students. In this question, given that for a simple pendulum having time period t, so SHM has time period t, the variation of kinetic energy Ke with time t is represented by. So in this question, NTA has given no correct option. This is mistake from the NTA side. According to the provisional answer key, they have given third option, but no option supposed to be correct. So let's see what will be happening here. We know the kinetic energy formula half of k a square sine square omega t, or we can say 1 by 2 k a square cos square omega t. In both scenario, the graph is directly proportional to sine square or cos square function. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to sine square omega t or cos square omega t. Now the question is, so how the graph will look like? The first one is not possible. So and the frequency of the kinetic energy will be twice the frequency of simple harmonic motion. That means time period will become half. So if you see the first option, this is not possible because here they have given time period is t only. It could be possible if we imagine the time period is t by 2, means if they have given time period is t by 2, then we can imagine at one point we can imagine that it can be correct, as if you take the simple pendulum is moving in any vehicle, or it is the whole system is moving, then we can consider at the extremum position also it can have some kinetic energy. Second is not possible because it is a negative value it is having, so kinetic energy cannot be negative. Now look in the third option. So this can be considered as closest approach, but this graph is not actually the sine square graph. If you see the sine square graph, it's supposed to be a smooth graph, but here you see this point is not smooth, this graph is not smooth, so it is not correct. Actually this graph is for sine of x modulus. This is the graph is actually mod of sine x graph, and this is cannot be possible. So this is supposed to be actual graph, so it will be smooth graph. You see the time period will be half, means frequency will be twice. So according to the NTA provisional answer key, this is correct answer, but no option is correct here actually if you observe. So it's supposed to be bonus. The closest approach, if you see, third option can be. Thank you for watching.